All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay. Look, it's finally time. It's time to finally give you a real case review for the Moto Razr Fold. Thinborne has come through. This is one of the first companies that I'm working with for a case video for this phone. And I'm happy to report that I already know this is going to be a pretty good case. I've worked with them in the past, and their products are quality. So a lot of people have been just waiting for a case for their Razr Fold, and Thinborne has come through. Oh wow, yeah, this is gonna be nice. I'm wondering that it looks like there's a tempered glass or a screen protector here too, so that's huge. Let's finally get this thing going here. Oh, it's even a front piece. Finally, oh man. This is what I was looking for as well. Now I can latch it onto my thing in my car. You have no idea. And I like that this has texture, obviously. I really like wearing my phones without cases, but for the first time in history, like I said in my other video, I'm surprised that so many companies have not given us a case. And Motorola, shame on you for not having one ready. But here is the thin front portion of it. Be careful with this, folks. This is very thin, so make sure that you're being careful with it. Gotta get this out here. This is an exciting time. Sadly enough, I've never been so excited for a case. Like it's crazy. I've never been this pumped up to get a case in for review. I mean, or just to get a case, period. I looked to buy some cases, but there were just none that intrigued me enough to where I was like, there's no way I'm going to do that. So obviously you get some instructions and warranty information in here. Please read over these things if you decide to purchase this. And you got your cleaning wipes because it looks like, and you got some extra adhesives, which these you shouldn't really need. It looks like there is a tempered glass. Thank goodness, because I have this makeshift tempered glass out here. And I don't know how good this one is going to be. I have a makeshift screen protector on there. I don't know how good this one's going to be, but I'm just going to roll with it. I'm going to go ahead and put it on instead of having nothing on there. So here's what you get in the box, man. This is good news. Really good news. Shout out to Thinborne for sure. So let's go ahead and get this back portion off, and we're going to put it on. This is exciting news for Razr owners. It kind of almost feels like, this is going to sound bad when I say it kind of feels like an iPhone moment. Like everybody else has been doing it, and everybody else has had it a long time ago. And here comes the iPhone with a new innovation of something. And there we go. This is good news. I'm going to grab something to test the MagSafe with. All right, so first we're going to put the back on. And even though this is the back, folks, still clean it. Clean it up. You never know what debris is back there or anything like that. So we're going to go like this first on. I'm going to push pretty much like that way. Now, let's get off my makeshift screen protector. I already told you guys where that's from. And we're going to clean this off. That facial recognition is so fast. Man, this is such a good news for people who were waiting for something to come for their Razr, man. Like, you have no idea. This is just good news that someone finally did it. Jay, you gonna put the screen protector on? Of course. But you want to go ahead and, this is like a free guide. Like having this front section here is like having a free guide for your screen protector. And I know this probably isn't going to be like this top-notch screen protector probably. Or it may be. Some of their other screen protectors are really good. So let's go ahead and get it wet. Know how to get it wet. All right. Got to get that thing wet. Get it nice and lubed up. I'm so I can't express the failure, this is one of my things that I didn't like about how this phone launched. There is no support for aftermarket. Like, there is nothing going on for the aftermarket world. Now, Thinborne, I appreciate you putting this tempered glass in the box, but I need you to get some dust removal stickers in your packaging going forward. I think that's a fair statement based on the price and the quality of your product. You should be able to put in dust stickers. So give me a second. I'm gonna grab my own dust stickers because I have some laying around. Yeah, if you're going to include a tempered glass, any kind of screen protector, you definitely should give your consumers, and again, based on price, you definitely need to get, because some people don't like the price of these products that some companies bring out. Yeah, I got a feeling this is going to be one of those ones where it's only adhesive around the edges. But some people don't like the price of products these days, and I get it. I get it. Times is tough. Let's see here. Did I do that right? It should fall right down inside. It's so crooked. Yeah, this is one of those ones where it's adhesive on the edges only. I don't know how some of you guys are going to feel about that. Oh gosh, I'm screwing this up. Hold on, folks. Hold on. Let me go ahead and pause here. I got to get this right. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and be honest. Screen protector's trash. It doesn't go on through the through this side with the frame on, which it actually should when you think about it. Because, but what I gather from that is those are just some generic screen protectors that they're throwing in for somebody who might not want to use the front frame, because it doesn't go inside the frame and it curves over the edges. So that's that. But I would rather use the frame like this, because you now can lay it down flat, you know what I'm saying? And there's no problems whatsoever. So, okay, I won't say the screen protector is trash, but put a screen protector in the box that's actually going to mesh well with your actual product. And we have gold. Now, here's a look at it from this side, because some of you guys are going to see it from this side. I was checking the seam there. And I'm also checking to make sure it's lined up here. There you go. You can see everything, the ports and everything. And you want to make sure all your ports and everything is lined up here. Folks, this case is 100%. Why is it taking screenshots? I don't know. But y'all, check this out. Finally, a case that we can work with. Finally. This Thinborne. I'm rocking with you. Look at that. Beautiful. Get you a nice close-up. The phone is still extraordinarily thin. And honestly, folks, it has a little more grip now. That is what you want for a person who doesn't want to wear a case. Now we're talking. This phone case right here is the one to get at the moment. I've got more cases coming in, so stay tuned for that. But here, let's check out my MagSafe light and stand, obviously. Yeah, it's good. The MagSafe is cool. Yeah, MagSafe is good. It works. So, man, it's a strong magnet. It'll definitely work in your car mount. And I'm definitely going to enjoy it in my car mount now. Put my pin in. My goodness, this thing is unlocked so many times. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, I can live without the screen protector on the front. I got another screen protector, my little makeshift screen protectors. I got more if I just really want to put one on. Those came from the Z Flip series, folks. If you want to put a screen protector on your Razr, unfortunately, you know, there's not a lot right now for the screen protectors. Now, like I said, this screen protector will work, but it's for someone who's probably not going to use this frame on the front. Because there are people out there that don't like the framing, but I think this is a perfect combination. I think this is beast mode. Yeah, and I'm not even really a case person, but ultra thin cases are where it's at, folks. This is what you need to be rocking with if you are a person that doesn't want to wear a case. This is what you're going to have to use if you just want to have some protection. So I'm not mad at it. Shout out to Thinborne for bringing something fire to the table. I'm going to need you to work on your screen protector game. Now, if you're going to put it in the box, let's be honest, if you're going to put it in the box, make sure it works with all applications of the case, and then also throw in some dust removal stickers. I think people would love that. Anyway, it's your man Jay. Here it is. The link's in the description. Be sure to grab yours. Finally, we got a premium case for a premium flagship foldable phone. Shout out to Thinborne.